Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning, and have a nice day everyone too. So this log, this is a random logs in my life. This log from Locksmith series. This profile I think 06. I'm not sure 100%, but I think so. Here we have gate, if I not mistaken. So I need to pick, to get, and to back to sell this now. No, 1 hour I have for back this log, and not was in my plan to pick him now once again because I make everything yesterday, but I think maybe with this will not bad. This picking, but multi-lock very many on my channel because this shot was normal. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, and first, second out, little pin out, and this was not on the place. 40 and first, I think. Yes. Now this is a quick open. No, came to think. I don't know how to say this. This is difficult, not difficult. I feel in this lock that pins no 3 in 1. 3 in 1. This is in the middle here. 3 in 1, and this not this lock, sorry, not have mushrooms, and not have no, anti-bump something. I can't get him. What problem? Because for me this situation like now, this is okay. I put him on 6 hour, and that's all. No, just out this moment. But we make now. Why not? I have time. I have time.
This is a number 3 and 14, if I'm not mistaken. Have a something like So hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and we're back on gutting. So this is first for
Free, free with groovy this element, and 2 and first. Driver pins, this is spools. I know I not out, but I feel this is spools. Not we not need out them. I sure. And these gates, what I no say about this moment. And profile 06, I want to show why this is this side right profile, and this one lock picker from my country ask me if this 06. So maybe I mistake. Everything can to be. But I think yes, this is 06. This is not difficult to test. But just a moment. Yes, this is 06. 06K. If you want, I take K now of 06 and we can do just I need to found 06K. This is not easy story to found this K now. I show you another way. This is not 06, but you understand me about what I show. This profile of K. This is 06 of multi-lock. Not 1, but on this you can to cut 06. So this enter. You understand? So this is 06. I sure, but everything can to be. Maybe I mistake. Maybe not. So thank you for watching. Not something special really. Have a nice day. Good luck. Bye bye.